Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Locking the Instagram app on your iPhone without using a third-party app locker can be achieved through the Shortcuts app, which allows you to create custom shortcuts to automate tasks on a device. Here is how you can create a shortcut to lock the Instagram app. So now here we get started. If you have not already installed the Shortcut apps, you can download it from the App Store as well. Open the Shortcut app on your iPhone. Then simply tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap on the Add Action button to start building your shortcut. In the search bar, type Lock the Screen and select the Lock the Screen action from the list of available actions. Then simply tap on the automation option available in the between of shortcuts and gallery. Then tap on the Add Automation. Then simply scroll down till you find App option. Then inside the app, go for the search icon available in top. Then scroll down till you find Instagram. And tap on the Instagram and tap on Run immediately. Then simply get done with it. And that is it. This method effectively locks the Instagram app until you manually exit this process. Now, when you are logged into the Instagram, keep in mind that you'll be logged out and navigated to the home screen, and you'll have to open it with your Face ID again and again. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.